Galaxy cameras are built around the philosophy that photos and videos should help you connect more naturally with the emotions of your moments. That's why Galaxy cameras are built to capture effortlessly, edit intelligently, and share seamlessly. Every shot on the Galaxy S26 series is social media ready, thanks to our advanced Provisual Engine and Galaxy AI. The front camera, now powered by an AI image signal processor, brings out more of the finer details, helping you capture the soft strands of hair and natural skin tones so your selfies look true to life. And the wider aperture in the rear camera channels significantly more light to the sensor. You'll see sharper detail and clearer, more vibrant images, whether you're shooting something far away or up close. Sometimes, when capturing beautiful moments, the sunlight overpowers the shot. When this happens, the Galaxy S26 series instantly balances it out for you, softening those shadows and adding subtle virtual light, like having a reflector right there with you. Now, where the Galaxy S26 series shines is when the sun goes down. We introduced Nightography video, so you can hold onto that atmosphere even in low light. The advanced AP understands the unique characteristics of each camera sensor, so grain is reduced even more effectively. Faces and details stay sharp, while the background looks cleaner and more defined. You want a camera that can capture the action without the shake. On the Galaxy S26 series, Super Steady with horizontal lock helps you capture what would otherwise fly by in steady footage, automatically maintaining a level horizon, so you don't have to constantly watch the frame. That's what makes Galaxy S26 series great for everyone. And for those creators who want a more professional workflow, Galaxy S26 Ultra unlocks advanced video recording with the APV codec, now available for the first time ever. APV codec supports high bit rates and near lossless quality, so you can record everything in up to 8K while retaining more detail through rounds of editing. You can also capture directly to external storage as you film. Built-in LUT presets let you apply a cinematic grade from your device so you can create your style right away. Then, if you want deeper control, you can bring that footage into editing tools like DaVinci Resolve or LumaFusion.
By supporting restoration projects and partnering with local communities, we're turning our commitment into measurable action. One clear example is our work to restore coral reefs. Since 2024, we've partnered with Sea Trees and the Scripps Institution of Oceanography at UC San Diego to equip researchers and local partners with the Galaxy camera, supporting coral reef restoration. That includes Ocean Mode, a feature designed to capture true underwater color for high-quality images that researchers need to monitor and analyze reef health. But now we're bringing Ocean Mode to you through Expert RAW on the Galaxy S26 series, giving everyday users the tools to see and help protect these endangered ecosystems for generations to come. Because when you truly see the planet, you care about it and you want to protect it. As we continue to advance this work, we remain focused on consistent progress. We want technology to make conservation more accessible, scalable, and inclusive, guided by our belief that innovation can help conserve the planet and inspire action.